Are you okay?
Oh, no, it's nothing. I should be leaving. Oh.
Huh?
I'm so tired.
All right, ready? Ready! One, two!
I can't hold on anymore.
A little longer, Terry.
Poli, you've got to go. You could get hurt really badly.
Don't worry, Terry. I'm just fine. Terry, you've got to try harder!
No, I'm afraid I'm at the end of my rope.
Polly!
Hey, friends. I hope I'm not too late.
No, you're just in time.
Really? I've got my new parts and I'm feeling strong. Watch. One.
Success!
Great work.
All done. Terry, try to move now.
I think it's okay. Amber, thanks.
Of course. Now that you're safe, you should take a good rest. You have to be really healthy to do all the work that you do.
Yeah, I'll be sure to keep that in mind.
Hey, Heli, are you all right?
Yep, good as new.
Looking good.
Oh, I was kind of worried that you guys wouldn't want me in the rescue team ever again.
What? That's impossible. There would be no rescue team without you. That's right.
No joke?
Of course. You need to take better care of yourself, Heli.
Wow, for some reason I'm feeling really great.
There! It's all done!
Wow, I look even better than before. Thank you, Jin.
Sure. Okay, Roy, you're next.
Yeah,
I'll paint you in no time.
thank you, Jin.
And now it's Amber's turn.
Jin, that's red, isn't it?
Of course. Without the red paint, I couldn't make pink paint. Check it out. If I mix white paint with red paint, ta-da! I get pink.
Wow, that's awesome!
Here we go. Good as new. Thank you, Jin.
It's my turn now!
I need to paint you green, so... If I mix yellow and blue, I get green. Like so. Good. Are you ready? Huh? Oh no, I've run out of paint. I don't have any more yellow paint.
What? But you're not done yet!
You're right. Don't worry. What we'll do is order more paint from the store.
Oh.
What? Oh, you don't? Well, please let me know when you get it back in stock, okay? Oh.
What happened?
I'm sorry, Heli, but a lot of people have been looking for yellow paint today. The store's sold out.
What am I going to do now?
I think you have to wait until tomorrow.
What? But I just can't go around like this all day. This is awful. Scooby! Hi, kids!
Hey, Scooby, what on earth happened to you?
There were some spots of white paint that got spilled onto me, so they decided to paint me all white. Cool, right?
No way, you look like a ghost.
What? A ghost?
Rescue team, this is Jen. Oh, you have it? Thank you so much. We'll pick it up. Heli,
Yes?
they have the yellow paint now.
They do?
Mm-hmm. They told me that I can pick it up any time. They must have gotten it sooner than expected.
Yay! I'll go get it! Yippee! A ghost? Do I really look that weird? Let me take a look. Oh my! I do look like a ghost. No! Oh no! I shouldn't have painted myself all white. All right, I have to find yellow paint right now. Oh, no. My tire is stuck. Oh no, please help. Oh no, please help. I got the yellow paint. Finally. Help. Help. Oh, help me. Who's that? Scooby! Heli! Oh, man! What happened to you?
So the yellow paint is here?
Yes.
I know Heli was happy.
I know he'll come back with a smile on his face. Huh? That's him now. Heli, what's going on?
Scooby has fallen into the stream near the post office. I'll send you the video.
Okay.
Oh, help!
Scooby!
Why is Scooby white? What happened to him, Heli?
I don't know, but you all need to get over here right away.
Okay, Heli. We'll all be right there.
Just hang in there, Scooby. The guys will be here soon. They're here.
Scooby!
Holy! My rear tire is stuck. I can't move at all.
Don't worry, Scooby. We're here to help. Amber, can you take a look at that tire?
Poli, I found the problem. I'll try moving the rock. It's done.
Good job, Amber.
Hey, Poli, I think it's better if we pick him up and move him. There are just so many rocks around.
Roy, let's lift him up and out of the stream. Oh, right. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, go.
Be careful.
So then Mr. Builder painted you white?
I didn't want to be all covered in spots. I know how you felt. But now, I need to get back to the way I used to look. Otherwise, the students won't want to ride me anymore. Calm down, Scooby. This is a can of yellow paint. We'll have you back to your old color before you know it. You guys will help, right?
Of course.
You will? Thank you so much, friends.
Now, let's make sure Scooby's good in yellow.
Yeah! Ooh, that tickles.
Stop moving, Scooby, or I can't paint you properly.
Okay.
All done, Heli.
Ta-da! Look, it's perfect!
That's the school bee we know.
Oh, good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Look, Jin, we're all covered in paint spots again.
Not a problem. I'll just have to paint you all again. Why don't we start with you this time?
Really? Yahoo!
Oh, we have a problem.
What?
We're out of yellow paint again.
What? I have to wait again? Oh, no! I demand to be painted right now!
This is the last lap, you guys. Come on!
Oh, boy. There's 1, 2,
Oh my goodness! It's a new record, everyone!
Oh yeah? I guess all that hard work paid off.
That's right.
Well, at any rate, you guys were great! I made sure to
They sure know how to rub it in. It must be so much fun having wheels.
Here you are. I think this might be what you want.
That's it! This is exactly what I've been hoping for!
I thought so. Go on, take it.
Really? You mean these are mine?
Well, they wouldn't be free, but I'm willing to make a deal. I'll trade the wheels for your propeller.
You want my propeller?
Here's the thing. I've traveled all across the world and back, but there's one place I haven't been. In the sky. That's right. It's on my bucket list. And what better way to get up there than with your propeller? Now then, you win.
Sure, the propeller is yours.
Jin, you haven't heard from Heli yet? Not yet. But don't worry so much. He'll be back soon like nothing happened.
Hey guys, I'm back!
How well do I know Heli? Huh?
Heli?
That's me. You like them?
Where did you get those? What happened to your propeller?
Can't say. It's a secret.
What do you mean a secret? Don't you run away from me, Heli!
You guys?
Having wheels is even better than I thought.
Heli, are you all right?
I think I may have just broken my tail wing.
What?
Heli! How could you? Let me know if it still hurts.
Jin, am I the reason you're mad?
Yes, of course. Do you have any idea how lucky you are?
Oh, come on, Jin. If you realign the wheels for me, then I'll be able to race just as well as everybody else can.
Heli, do you hear yourself? You're just going to get hurt again. Not to mention you're made for flying in the sky. You're Heli the helicopter, not Heli the race car.
I know, but I'm always all by myself up there, and everybody else is down on the ground having fun. Jin, why can't you understand how I feel? Well, that hurt.
Unbelievable.
I guess this would be easier if I had my propeller back.
Oh, I'm up. I don't believe it. I'm actually flying. Yahoo! Look at me, everyone.
Guys, I might be hallucinating.
No, this is for real.
What? Miss Bell, I might be wrong, but I think Camp's flying.
What?
Hi, Lifty. Hello, Miss Bell. Isn't it a lovely day?
I have no idea what's happening today. Hey, Camp! Come down from there! It looks way too dangerous!
Yes, before you get hurt.
Everything's fine. Don't worry about me. Do you think I should go higher? Oh, no! Help me!
Camp?
So I guess what you're saying is that Helly's on leave until his new propellers come in.
Well, without his propellers, there's no way he can fly. And if he can't fly, he can't transform.
It's not fair.
So anyway, can you tell us who gave you the wheels?
Camp wanted me to trade him those for my propeller.
No way!
I'm disappointed Camp would do something like that. Anyway, they said your new propeller will be here soon, so stay out of trouble till then. Huh? Ah, it's Ms. Bell. Are you all right?
Jan, Camp was flying around with some strange propeller on his head, and he fell onto the storage roof. Do you think you can get down here?
Yes, just hold on. All right, it looks like we have to hurry.
Don't worry, Jin. We'll get down there right away.
Please, Miss Bell, help me down.
Careful! Try not to move or you might fall. The team will be here any minute.
Oh, they're here.
Miss Bell!
He's up in the room.
Help me! Please, before I fall!
Amber, can you set up the safety mat? Roy, we're gonna need the crane.
Got it!
Oh, please get me down!
Camp, stay still. Poli, try and hurry. He can't hold on for long.
Almost there.
Holy, what happened?
Guys, I can't reach him from here. The roof isn't going to hold. I'm afraid we'll both fall through.
You guys!
Heli, come on. We need to connect Camp to the crane.
Right!
We got you, Camp. Roy, lower him down.
Coming down!
Okay, Camp. Gotcha.
Back on solid ground.
I'm glad we're running at full power again.
Well done, Heli.
There. You're lucky it was just a scrape, Camp.
Yeah.
If Heli hadn't shown up when he did, it could have been really bad.
I feel so bad. Sorry, Heli.
Oh no, I'm the one that started it all. I'm sorry for the trouble, everyone.
It's
all right. We're all sorry that you were feeling so left out.
Yeah. You know, I've always felt a little jealous that you can fly and we can't.
Funny, I guess we felt the same. But from now on, I'll just be happy about who I am.
Same with me. I'm keeping these wheels right on solid ground.
I'm glad that Heli is Heli and Camp is back to camp.
I agree. It felt strange without my propeller. I now accept that I'm meant for the air. Ha! Yahoo! I'm back in the sky and ready to fly! All right! Yahoo! Getting washed is exhausting. I should tell those guys I don't want to play ball anymore. Hey, guys, I don't want to play.
Hey, you're back.
Get the ball for us, please. I can't take it anymore. I'm out of here. All of this washing. I'm tired. This time, I'm gonna make sure I'm super clean.
You have left your guide rail. Please do not move.
Nah, I just need a little more soap. Just a little more. One more time can't hurt.
Please do not move. Please do not move. Moving may damage the mechanism.
What's that?
Damage to the mechanism is activating the safety system. The system will
just
shut
a
down
little
the
more.
mechanism soon. Please move
Hey,
out of the
what's
car
going
wash.
on?
The mechanism is shutting down.
Oh no! I'm stuck! No, please help me!
The
Somebody
exit
get me
door
out
is
of
closing.
here! Help me!
Open! Let's go in!
Come on, Amber. Cap, you okay?
Poli!
Amber, please disable the system.
Got it!
All done.
I'm all right!
We're glad you're out of there.
Thanks to all of you.
Now, just draw them out using your light and pick them up with your tongues. All right, ready, Campin' Ms. Bell?
Yes!
Let's get to work.
We'll save you guys!
I hope this works.
Yuck! Hurry! It's on me!
All done.
Oh, safe at last.
Oh, please come out, please! Oh! Yay!
Poli, there's a caterpillar on your head.
What? On my head?
Poli, I'll take care of it. Just stand still.
Just hold on, Roy. I'll do it. Hi there, guy. Excuse me.
They're all back!
Good job, Poli!
Oh, so for how long have you been afraid of bugs?
It's been a while. I helped a cat from a tree a long time ago, and a bunch of worms fell all over me. I think it started then.
So that's the reason you're afraid of bugs?
Yes.
But the truth is, bugs aren't really harmful to us at all. A lot of them are remarkable and can be quite helpful. Maybe if you just remember that these guys here are really just babies, you won't be quite as scared.
Actually, after this rescue, I think I may have overcome it.
What a shame. I was going to tease you about this for a really long time.
Seems like you got over that pretty easily. Poli, on your head!
What? Where?
Well, Poli, I think you're still a little afraid.
Well, you're teasing me? Oh, you're too much. Oh. What? It's Helly's birthday today.
I marked it on the calendar, then I just totally forgot. How could I forget it's on the same day as Mary's birthday?
I know. What if we throw him a surprise party?
Yes, but there's not enough time.
Why don't we ask our friends in town to help out?
That way, I'm sure we can get everything done in time to surprise Helly. What do you say, Roy?
You bet! Come on!
It's time for Operation Heli Surprise Party. Let's go! Now!
Why is it so dark? Poli? Amber? Hey, Roy? Where is everybody?
Heli, is that you?
Spooky, what happened?
Heli, thank goodness.
Spooky, what's wrong?
Surprise! Happy birthday, Heli!
Wow.
He's a jolly good Heli, for he's a jolly good Heli, for he's a jolly good Heli.
Really cool, guys.
Harmonium in the sky. Happy birthday, Heli!
You guys, I knew that you'd remember.
Go on, Heli. Blow out your candles.
Thank you, guys.
Ta-da! Time for your birthday present.
Wow, for me?
Just for you.
Oh,
Go on. Go ahead and open it up, Heli.
I wonder what it is.
Wait! Wait, everybody. Close your eyes. This is a surprise for everyone.
Really?
Okay, let's close our eyes. Ta-da! A light-up propeller! No one will forget Heli's birthday again if he's got this on, right? What's wrong? Don't you like your present?
I love it. I just want to say I don't need any presents at all as long as I have such wonderful friends.
Okay, so you're really saying you don't like your present, right?
No, I think it's great.
Anyway, Heli, all of us love you. We can't imagine life without you.
We love Heli!
Today is the happiest day of my life. Yahoo! Thank you all.
A little more. Almost. No, I almost had it.
You even managed to drop the dustbin.
Hey, guys.
Huh?
Why don't I give this one a try?
That's it! You got it!
Oh.
That's harder than it looks.
Have we tried everything?
Well, we have two options now.
What are they?
One, we all tell Jin what happened and we go buy Bruner a new ball set. Or two, we all tell Jin what happened and she can help us get the balls out.
Oh, both options are bad. I thought the whole point was that Jin doesn't find out.
Jin doesn't find out what?
Jin, you're back!
I figured you guys would be done with the cleaning by now, so I came by to check in. So what are you hiding from me?
Well, it's just...
I'm sorry, Jin. It's me. I was playing with the cool balls from your desk, but then I dropped them in the tank.
What? Heli didn't know that it was Bruner's birthday gift.
And we all tried, but couldn't manage to reach them and get them out.
Oh, well, what can you do? I knew I couldn't leave you alone for too long. Step aside.
Right!
Heli, can you go open the water valve over there?
Huh? Sure.
I got it!
Wow, we didn't think of that.
Think of what, you guys? Did you not know that balls float in water?
We were so crazily panicked that we hadn't thought of that.
But you're right. If we had reacted more calmly, we might have figured it out.
Either way, Jin, I'm really sorry.
That's okay. To pay me back, you can clean these up and gift wrap them.
Sounds good.
I wonder if they're going in to shop for me. Oh, they're done. Hey, guys.
Bruner?
Hey, what are you guys doing here? Oh, any chance that's a solar system ball set? So, Max, did you buy something for me?
We did. Not. I don't know anything. I have to go do a thing now.
Hey, Max, where are you going? Hey!
So you think he figured it out, huh?
Yeah, he caught us coming out of the store and we didn't know what to say.
Well, this is tough. If he has any idea the gift is in here, he won't stop until he gets to open it before his birthday.
This time we have to keep it a surprise. Last year he found it the night before the party and ruined the secret because he already knew what it was.
What if we hide it underground so deep he can never find it?
But how would that work? No matter how hard we try, he'll know.
Ah, the secret safe. I just thought of the perfect spot to hide it.
Perfect spot?
All right, everyone get in close. The perfect spot is down by the place.
So they're trying to hide it, eh? Think you can hide it from me? Oh, there it is. I can almost reach it. Help! Somebody get me out! Help!
Goodness, what in the world is going on?
Emergency! Emergency! Bruner has reportedly fallen headfirst into the well in Heavy Village.
All rescue team members, get over there now!
All right. Huh. Mr. Builder!
Hurry, over here!
Somebody help!
Bruner, we're here now. We need you to remain calm and hold still.
Okay, I'll try.
Heli, take a look inside the well.
Right. He's close to the top of the well, but he's upside down. So we need to hurry.
Heli, can you keep watching Bruner?
You got it.
Roy and Amber, you know what to do.
Roy, we're set.
Great. I'll start to pull.
Okay, careful.
Gee, thanks.
Bruner, are you okay?
Yeah, a little lightheaded, but I'm fine.
Whew. We are really lucky you're all right. So you say this all happened because you were trying to hide Bruner's birthday present?
That's right. We wanted his birthday gift to be a special surprise, so we didn't want him to find it early.
Oh, I'm really sorry. I should have just waited for it. And now my present's gone.
And that's why I couldn't say anything about it.
Poli, do you think there's any way we can get that out of the well?
Of course.
Really?
Oh, good, it's floating up.
Exciting.
Got it. See, there you are.
Hooray! Bruner still gets his birthday gift after all.
You're welcome.
So, can I finally open the box now?
No way! It's not as fun if you open it here.
Yeah, Bruner, please, can't you just play along once in a while?
But it's my birthday and I'm gonna open it anyway. Give me a break!
All right, go ahead and look.
Wow! A solar system ball set!
Jin's going to be disappointed about this.
Oh yeah, she got him the same thing, didn't she?
What? Jin got me a solar system ball set as well? All right! Woohoo! Best birthday ever!
Hey, Bruner, you really gonna use both sets?
You bet! You can never have too much of a good birthday gift. Yahoo! I have 2 solar systems now! Yeah!
Heli!
Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm all right. I might be a little stuck.
No cause for you to worry. You'll be just fine. Lifty, would you mind waiting over there?
Sure.
Roy, let's try to lift this horizontal rock. Amber and Heli, try to get this other one to move.
All right.
Everybody ready? All right, let's try. 1, 2. Pull it, guys!
Hold it a little bit more.
You got it!
Heli, pull even harder this time. I'll try. And 1, 2, pull!
Come on out!
Right.
That was awesome!
There. Max, promise me you won't ever try that again.
Yeah, if Lifty hadn't happened to pass by, you could have been there a long time.
Yeah, I don't think I'll make that mistake again. Thank you, everyone. And thank you, Lifty.
I'm so glad I was able to help someone. Polly, I might have the courage now to make some new friends. I can't just decide what kind of friends they would be before I've even talked to them.
Right. If you approach the whole thing with an open mind, you might just meet all kinds of new friends.
And after tonight, all of Broomstown might just be your new best friends.
What do you mean by that?
You'll find out.
Lifty's welcome party has officially begun! Oh my, thank you all so much! We should have done this a really long time ago. We're sorry, Lifty. Are you kidding? Don't be sorry. Your friends did all this for me. I'm just so touched.
Please don't think of us as friends who only spend their time fighting each other.
Yeah, we actually don't like to fight. I promise never to ignore you if we see each other in the square.
Thanks. That sounds nice. Hey, do you guys want to hear the story when I thought Max was an actual bad guy?
Yes.
Well, Lifty's sure having a good time.
Looks like our work here is done.
It's nice. I'm happy for the little guy.
Now Lifty has some new friends. Maybe more than he was looking for.